I do have an absolutely scientific, forensic way of approaching a character. And when I can see that pattern of human behavior, when it clicks, the dialogue has its own energy and sense and inevitability. I recognize the character and can breathe life into that character. Sometimes I can embark on a character and perhaps discover him during my portrayal. In other words, discover him on camera, which is thrilling. I don't go onto I go onto the film set prepared scientifically in that I know my dialogue and I know the scenes. But the inner preparation is life. That is my inner preparation. It's just having a life. So Shakespeare is my acid test. It's a very, very high bar because I read film scripts now and I think to myself, this ain't Shakespeare.